Hello, I am going to show you how to add values in Excel. Without wasting much of our time, let us get deep into adding values in Excel. So to add values in Excel, we have the column A and the column B, and we now have where the answers will appear, column AB. Now to add these two values like 10 and 20 in Excel, all you need to do is, first of all, remember a equality sign. Just type the equality sign, then bracket open or parenthesis open. Then what value do you, on what cell is this? We have cell F6, cell F6 plus cell G6. You see that? Cell F6 plus cell G6. You close the bracket and you press enter. You now have the value. So let's do it one more time. If I want to add 45 and 24, what I will do is equality sign, click on 45, which is cell F7, type plus, and you click on 24, which is cell G7. You press enter. You see that? So if I have more than one values that I want to add up, since I've added the first one and the second one, all I need to do is go to this point of intersection, that's the cell pointer. Once you get to this point, your cursor will change. If I move my cursor out of it, you see that, put it back, the cursor changes. Then you drag downwards. The computer automatically solves the rest for you. Thank you for watching. Please like and share.